Hello students, this is a short video tutorial about how to access your email through the Office 365 Outlook app in your ClassLink portal. My name is Kelly Cheatham. I am a digital learning specialist for Fort Worth ISD. In today's tutorial, we'll start by looking at how to access your Outlook app. Then we'll talk about how to compose a new message. And lastly, we'll talk about how to view messages that you've received and respond to them. To access our email, we're going to start by logging into our ClassLink portal. And we can navigate there by going to fwisd.org/myfwisd. When you click on Sign in with Microsoft, it will prompt you to enter your email account. Your email account starts with S, followed by your lunch account number at stu.fwisd.org. When you hit Next, you need to enter your password that you recently set and sign in. If you are the only student at FWISD or Fort Worth ISD in your household, you can remain signed in, but if you share this device with other students, you would want to click No on the screen. And now it's going to load all of the different apps that you have access to. We're going to focus today on Office 365, so if you find that app and click on it, it's going to open a bunch of different apps. So Office 365 is where you can find Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, among many others. But today we're going to focus on Outlook. This is the app we use to access our email. Okay, so now that I am logged into my account, I can start by composing a new message. I'll do that by clicking the New Message button. Okay, it pulls up a little window over here on the right-hand side. The first thing I need to do is tell it who to send the message to. And so in this case, I'm going to email my teacher, and I'll do so by typing in her email address. Her email address is her first name dot her last name at fwisd.org. Okay, the next thing I want to do is add a subject. A subject tells my teacher what my email is mostly about. So in this case, I'm going to type an email about a homework question. And now in the space below that, we'll start composing our email. I want to start my email with a greeting, followed by a comma. I'm going to use the Enter button to give it a couple of spaces. And now I'll start asking my question. And the last thing I want to do in my email is close it. So I want a closing line. I'm going to use thank you, comma. I'll use that Enter button, and I will write my name. When my email is all set and ready to go, I can hit the Send button, and that email will go to my teacher. Okay, the other thing that we can do in our Outlook app is check messages that we have received. And so I know that I have a new message because in my inbox, which is what we're in right now, I see the number 1. I also notice that I have a message here that has a blue line next to it. That means that I have not yet read it. To read the message, all I had to do was click on it, and it pulled up that message over here. I can read through this message, and I notice as I'm reading through it that this is a message that I need to respond to. So if I'd like to send an email back to this person, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner. I'll see some icons up here, and you're going to look for the arrow that points to the left that has a single arrowhead. So I'll click on that button, and it will bring up a new message box for me to type in. So I would type my response and get it all ready to send. And when I am finished, all I have to do is hit that send button again, and it will send my response to my teacher. So in this video tutorial, we talked about how to access your email through the Office 365 Outlook app in your ClassLink portal. We talked about how to compose new messages. We talked about how to check messages that you have been sent, and we talked about how to respond to them. I hope you find it helpful.